today we are going to look at notes versus comments. So we want to look at, in Excel workbook, you can add a comment or you can add a note. We want to see which one I think is better, but obviously it boils down to which one you like. But let me show you which one I like and why I like it. All right, cool. Let's head into it straight away. So in this column here, I have my notes. You can see here the note which is saying note 1, and it inscribes who wrote the note. And also in another cell here, you can see note 2. Then in column D here, what you can see is a comment. So I say comment 1, and here it's comment 2. All right. So what are the differences and what are the benefits of using which one? So if you look at this one, if I want to add additional note on top of this one, I have an option to edit it. So I can say edit note. Then I can inscribe whatever I need to inscribe after that. I can do the same for all the notes, right? With this one, I can also edit it and add whatever I want to add. Or a cool thing that I can actually do with it is I can reply to this comment. So suppose there are 2 or 3 people who have access to this workbook, they can actually add a trail of comments here, replying to each other. So I can say this is reply. And I can add another reply to just keep track of the progress of a task. Maybe you are commenting on a task, maybe there's something within that Excel cell that you need to do and you need to add some comments. So someone can actually open the workbook and be able to see the trail of your comments. And another thing that you can do with comments that you can't do with notes is if you look on top corner here where it says comments here. If I click it, you can see all my comments will come on this side. But remember, these are only the comments on this worksheet. If you have comments in another worksheet, it won't show up here. It only shows comments in this current worksheet. If you don't see your comments here, you might want to go to Review tab, and you'll see here under Comments where it says next comment, previous comment, or show comments. So if I say next comment, watch, it will go to where there is next comment here in my workbook. There it is. It goes to the next comment. And if I say next comment, it goes to the first one because it's done looking downwards. And also I can just say show my comments, then my comments will pop up here, and it's showing that with this purple line showing that these are all relating to the cell that I'm selecting, and it tells me the cell where my comments are in. And also if I want to select the next comment to see which cell the user was commenting on, I just click on it and it jumps straight away to that particular cell where the user was commenting on. And if I scroll a little bit down and add another comment here and say new comment, that's how you create a comment. And I just say new comment, then I post it. So now if I go back up to my first cell and I just select new comment here, you'll see it will jump straight away down to where I've just added my note. So to just show you again how to add a new note and a new comment. So to add a new note, I just right click and say add new note. So here is new note. And to add a new comment, I just right click and say add new comment. Then I can say new comment 2. That was the new comment 1 and this is new comment 2. Note that if I say I'm here on top and I say next note, it doesn't follow the time order. So next note, it goes to this one. And also the arranging here is not based on time, it's based on the cell where the notes exist. So it's up to you to choose whether you want to make use of a new note or a comment when you are making additional or when you are adding additional information to your workbook. For me, I prefer a comment over a note because of the reasons that I just showed you. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, please don't forget to hit the like button below. And also remember to subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified when I add new videos. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.